spike an IV flush bag up to the ridge on the spike. Close roller clamp on IV tubing and insert IV tubing into female connector 180. Connect spike adapter 180 to female connector 180 by aligning red lines and push straight on. Prime line per facility protocol and add female connector. Disinfect desired access site per facility protocol. Attach Luer Lock adapter to patient access site. Disinfect Luer Lock adapter per facility protocol. Connect female connector to Luer Lock adapter by aligning red markings and pushing straight on. Disinfect spike adapter 180 membrane per facility protocol. To administer dose, disconnect female connector 180 by depressing tab on spike adapter 180 and pulling straight off. Connect female connector 180 to spike adapter 180 by aligning red markings and pushing straight on. Disinfect spike adapter 180 membrane per facility protocol. When dose is complete, disconnect female connector 180 by depressing tab and pulling straight off. Connect female connector 180 by aligning red markings and pushing straight on. Repeat as needed for additional drugs. Note: all manipulations should be done below eye level. Dispose of or store components per facility protocol.